Hi, Scorpio people. This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and we are here to see what the month September has in store for all the Scorpios. So, Scorpios are people who are born between October 22 to November 21. So, if you know anyone who is born between October 22 to November 21, please share this video and please subscribe to the channel because every month I'll be putting videos about all the zodiac signs so you know forehand that what is in store for you all. There are videos about all the other zodiac signs as well. You can check that. Let me see. Scorpios. Let me meditate with my tarot. Alright. Tarot, please tell me what's in store for the Scorpios in the month of September. Wow. Good. Uh-huh. So, Scorpios, welcome to September, and it says you've overworked, okay? You've overthought, you're thinking too much, and you need to take a break from your thinking and too much of working. I see you all become workaholics, okay? So, there's too much going into your head, too much schemes going into your head, too much thoughts coming into your head. Maybe you have sleep issues. It's time to take a break. Meditate, go to a retreat, go to a picnic, do whatever you feel like, but it is time that you give this time to yourself, or there'll be a compulsory break. You know what is a compulsory break? Maybe a hospitalization or a break off somewhere. But okay, so you know what I mean to say. So thinking, calm down. To calm down thinking, batch flower remedies are the best remedies that you can take. They were discovered by Dr. Batch in Germany, and they are available in homeopathy pharmacy. Just that you need to know your case properly and go to a perfect batch flower therapist who would give you the personalized, customized medicine remedies. We call them remedies, so that you start feeling much better. It's a very cheap kind of a technique. And yeah, we at Infinite Healing also give bachelor remedies. So if you feel I am the person who will be helping you in this, please contact me. So yes, so overall thinking too much is happening. I know relations are actually good. You have good people around, so be secure. All right, there's nothing to think too much about people, about life, about future, about planning. Don't think too much, and you can rely on people around. Actually, the people around are a lot of fun. It's just like you need to plunge into the fun part or the fun space. You're so involved in your own thoughts and your own work and only career that you're not, you've missed this word fun somewhere, enjoyment somewhere. So please go back to that space, talk to people around. And in September a lot of people go for the rainy picnics and a lot of the festivals also, so go meet people. Relations are good, relations are really good. You have good people with good intentions and you are in a very good circle right now. Money. See, money condition is also good. You might expect some kind of a pointer which is international, like international money or a money from international source, or some idea, or some kind of a connection with international foreign endeavor. So yes, money part is all good, all good. You need not worry about that. I am still thinking, what are you worrying about? All the cards are so good that I have done many zodiac signs by now. These are the best cards that I have had, Scorpios. So just fun element is missing, and which is missing because you are not giving any weightage to that, because you are not giving any kind of focus to fun. For you, everything right now is career and money, but be assured your career is fine, your money is fine, relations are fine, I see your health being fine, everything being fine. What is there to worry about? There's nothing to worry about. Sometimes you just get into a frame of mind where how can everything be fine in my life? Why don't I have problems? And then you attract problems. Because since childhood, we are so comfortable with problems. We are so trained and grown up with problems that when there's no problem, you don't know what to do. And you manifest one more. So don't do that. Okay? Right. Career is again fine. You see, you're pretty settled. A very good card. Money is coming in. Uh, Career is settled. You have a settled time. I know you want to build your future. I know there are certain ideas in your head, and maybe they have got delayed, and so you are a little irritated with that and anxious about it. But this all will happen. This will happen in this month. So, if you give a proper professional and personal balance to your own body, to your own self, I think everything will fall in place. Whatever you made is made up in your mind. Money, career condition is also very good. Um, it seems you're very settled. Okay, the only time if you feel that you are into a monotonous career, like maybe you're doing the same job for 10 or 12 years, then you can shift. I mean, it's a good time. If you feel like you could shift, it's a good time. Not a great issue about that, but only when you feel that there is a certain kind of a monotony coming into consideration. So yep, if you want to even travel to any foreign country, you can. I mean, you can. It's your choice. You might get such an opportunity. Yeah, so that was your career. Health is also good. Just that your mental health will be a little at stake because you're thinking too much. But even in health front, this is the correct time where you put up a base to your health. Like you enroll yourself into something health conscious. You enroll yourself to a yoga class or a spiritual class or a Zumba class, even with a nutritionist, whatever. This is a time that you should start finding what is your comfort zone. I know that you're working too much, so you might not give time to your nutritionist, to your dietitian, or whatever. But you have to find time, or else there will be a compulsory break. I've already told you. So put up a base. This is the time that you put up a base to your health as well. All right, but it seems good. Base card, yeah, it will go nice. Travel also is fine. Travel also seems fine. Again, it's your choice. I told you, it seems fine. It will be a choice. But what I see with you guys this time is, if you even want to travel, you will travel for work. You will choose to travel for work and not for any fun. So I'm again pointing that factor out, that you need to have fun. This is a time of festivals anyway, and relations are good, career is good, money is good. There's nothing to be so insecure about. Your health is fine. Just take care of your health, in the sense, just start taking good care of your health, so that prevention is better than cure. That way you need to take care of your health. I don't see you falling ill or having any kind of health issues or diseases for that matter. But yeah, too good. So overall, I'm very happy with whatever is going to happen with the Scorpios. So just like a tip, I would say that if you want to take a leap, yeah, if you want to take a big leap, you could use something like this red horse. I love this. So this red horse you should be keeping in your north direction. No, you should be keeping, for Scorpios, you should be keeping this in the south direction facing the north. So all the energies from the south, it will take a leap. If you have a look at this. They are actually taking a leap of faith, leap of money. This is very good for career. Very, very, very good. I give this as an upay to lot many people who feel a little anxious or who feel stuck or who feel a future anxiety. So you can definitely use this red horse. Many healers have that. We also have it. You can contact us if you want that. But for now, be very happy. Have a nice September month. And if you know someone who's a Scorpio, please share this video with them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.